Yeah, hi Chris, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your CD player, your Wizard Bose. Yeah, basically, okay, the problem I've had, alright, is the transport. Someone's been in there, there's finger marks all over the place, and washers missing and all sorts of things in there. And there's also a little mark at the back here that you can see someone's trying to pry it up. Now, the only way to get into these things, if you know what you're doing, is from the bottom. You lift the plate at the bottom, never the top. So someone obviously didn't know what they were doing when they were opening it. Right, so anyway, there's that. And also this spindle on top. Right, I've had to put a new one of them in. A refurb one. You can't get them anywhere. But I had one there, so, you know, I'm going to have to ask you for something for that, because I'll just, you know, be out of parts otherwise. But I spent several hours on this getting it working for you, so let's fire up and I'll show you it working. I can't show you it because I didn't realise at the time that this is actually a stack system with its own plug, so I can't even put my headphones in, but I know it's all working there. So I'm pushing play. So if you look there, it'll read that disc and then it'll come up with what it's doing there. There you go, you can see that there. So that's all working. So what I'll do is I'll just go up in the thing there. You can see me going up every time I push that button, and then you can see the timer going up. So if I pause it, so I've got it on pause at the moment. So if I push that again, it's unpaused it, and I'm going to go up. I'm going to just race up a few there. Look, there. So I'm on track 7. You can see that going up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop it now. Okay, I'm going to take your CD spindle off. I'm going to show you my disc. So that's the disc that I've just taken out. So I'm going to put this one in here. Right, so I'm going to put that one in. Put your plate over the top. Okay, now I'm going to push play. You can see it coming in there, look. See that? Right, so I'm going to zoom up to wherever I can. So 5, 6. I think you see it running in there. Alright, so I hope you're happy with that. And it's taken me, I'll be honest with you, I probably won't do these again, because it was quite a lot of aggro to get this done, and they're quite a bulky bit of kit. But I have done it for you, nevertheless. I've sorted it for you, so I'm sure you will be over the moon with this, because they are an expensive system, and you know, they work really well. Also, I wanted to point out there was a lot of noise coming from here as well, and that's probably one of the reasons why it weren't playing as well. You know, obviously I've put a new laser in. I've serviced the mech as well for the servo as well, so it's a bit of a, yeah, that was the pain, you know, getting in and out a couple of times. But yeah, we're all good now anyway, so give me a shout with your email, your address, and I will get that posted to you. Again, yeah, you know, there is marks on it. Okay, they have not come from me. There was a mark, I think, on the right hand side where, yeah, I don't know what, there was a few marks there, minor marks. The top's all clean as it was when you sent it, and there's that little bit at the back there where someone's tried to prise the top open. There's a mark there as well, but oh no, that's the actual. There's a, I don't know what that is, whether that's a mark or it needs a clean. But yeah, you know, it's in fairly good condition, I'd say. Sort of, I'd give it sort of 95 out of 100%. But yeah, so you know, I mean, it has been open. People have been in there, played about with it, possibly over a few times, like. But yeah, I've put back everything that I could find. You know, like I say, you are missing a washer there off one of them screws. So with any luck, it ain't hanging about inside there. I did check it all for you anyway before I'd done it. You don't want any problems. But yeah, all good. Thank you very much.